Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy coleslaw. It's a classic side dish that's perfect for any meal, and my method is super simple. First, let's gather our main ingredients: fresh cabbage, crisp carrots, and the components for our creamy, tangy dressing. You'll be amazed at how quickly this comes together with just a few basic items from your pantry and fridge. Now let's get our vegetables ready. The key to great coleslaw is finely shredded cabbage. You can use a sharp knife, a mandolin, or even a food processor for this step. For the carrots, a box grater works perfectly to get those nice, thin strands. Aim for consistency in your cuts. This ensures every bite has a wonderful texture and the dressing coats everything evenly. This prep work is quick and makes a big difference. Next up, the star of the show, our creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This gives it that essential tang. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar for a touch of sweetness, along with 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Taste it and adjust the sugar or vinegar to perfectly suit your palate. It's all about personal preference. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently combine your shredded cabbage and carrots with the creamy dressing. Mix everything thoroughly until every single piece of vegetable is beautifully coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl and pop it into the refrigerator. Chilling the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes or even an hour allows the flavors to meld and develop, making it even more delicious. Enjoy your homemade coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.